my channel. Hey, I'm Ellen if you're new here, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about my new Doen dress. So if that's what you're here to see, keep watching. So if you are new here, before we get into the video, please, if you're enjoying the video throughout, remember to hit that subscribe button. I am edging ever closer to 10k day by day, and I would absolutely love to hit it, so it would mean a lot to me if you could hit that subscribe button. And also go follow me over on my Instagram account. It's ellensinwonderland, the same as my YouTube, and I will be styling up this gorgeous dress along with all my other outfits over there. So yeah, go check me out. I'm also living for this little setup at the moment. I love a standing moment. I just honestly feel like I'm an actual like TV presenter or something. I love it. So yeah, let's get into talking about Doen, shall we? So I recently discovered Doen through my stepmom, who had bought a few of their pieces and kindly bought this beautiful one for me that I'm going to be talking about. And I really wanted to make a whole video specifically on this one dress. If you haven't seen my videos before, I've done similar on brands such as Lucy and Yak and House of Sunny. So whenever I get a piece from a more sort of sustainable and ethical brand, I do like to kind of show it off on my channel and tell you a little bit about the brand and a little bit about my experience with the garment as well. So Doen is, I think, a US based brand, as all the prices are in dollars on their website. I did order direct from the Doen website and shipping was very fast. I think it was via FedEx. Or you can also order via Net-a-Porter as well if you want to use something a bit more UK based. Then you can order via Net-a-Porter as well, so depending on your preference. What's great about Doen is they are a really ethical brand. They don't mass produce any of their items of clothing, so things do sell out quickly. They're all made in limited supply, and the factories they use are very ethical in terms of it's really transparent and you can see their supply chain, and of course, that's why the price point's a bit higher, because people are being paid more to make these garments. They are also involved in a lot of great initiatives around diversity and women's rights. So they're just basically well-rounded, a lovely brand to shop from. And they also make absolutely stunning pieces. So the piece I chose to pick up is this Odessa dress. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm of course going to try this on for you as well, and their kind of style of brand is what I would call kind of like cottagecore, I'd say. So it's all very like bohemian, floaty fabrics with like outstanding detailing on it. That is the brand is, I'd say, yeah, kind of cottagecore, very floaty, bohemian, what you'd wear on a holiday in a chateau in the south of France kind of vibes. In my opinion, that's kind of where I see this brand. So yeah, I picked up the Odessa dress, which is this beautiful dress here. It comes in a few different prints, and I went for this one. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but I will of course leave it linked down below. And this is made of a cotton viscose mix, and it is just it says a mini dress on the website, but it does go down when you see the try on to about my knee. The fabric is very, very sheer, so I've got a little slip that goes under this as well, and there is this beautiful embroidery. I really hope you can see that properly, all at the top. Yeah, I think you can. The top of this, it is so beautifully detailed, and what's great is I feel they're really size inclusive as well. So I'm a sort of UK 14, and I did pick this up in a large because that was what was recommended, but I easily could have gone for a medium in this, and they do go up to double XL size wise as well. So they are very size inclusive, and their pieces are an oversized fit as well, so they're very beautiful, very forgiving as well. Great for if you're having, you know, okay, we're in Italy now, and we're in our grape, what's it called? A vineyard in Italy. I'm wearing this dress. I've eaten 5 bowls of pasta. Nobody knows about it, and it's, yeah, perfect. Wow, I need to get a grip. But yeah, the dresses are absolutely beautiful. And this is, oh yeah, always gorgeous pleating on the front as well. And yeah, for size reference, I've got a large in this, but probably could have done with a medium. And does it say anything else on here about her? In terms of how this came packaged, it came in a FedEx box, which was just a normal FedEx box. Then it came in a brown paper bag, and it also came in a dust bag as well, that just says DôEN on it, that I've kept just attached here, which is nice, so that if you are traveling with it, you can pop it in that to keep it safe as well. And as it is sheer, I've just got a little H&M little black slip that I'm gonna wear under it as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna try this little number on for you. Yeah, so this is the dress on. I can't even explain to you how luxurious this feels to wear. It is just so comfortable, and I do actually have all my tags still on it, which I need to take off. But it's just so comfortable, floaty, flattering, and yeah, like I said, I probably could have done with a size down, but I checked afterwards and there was no more mediums available, which is fine. I think this still looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the elastic on the arms. I think that just makes it fit so pretty, and I love pieces like this that you can just throw on and you feel so like put together, like even this with like a slide, or even like a little sandal heel. It's just a beautiful, beautiful dress, and the fabric feels so gorgeous, floaty, easy to wear, and I feel really fabulous in it. And I just feel comfortable and pretty, and that's really what you want from a dress like this. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I think it's so, so gorgeous. Really easy to wear, and a really great piece from a really great brand. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you liked seeing the dress on. I hope you enjoy hearing me talk about brands like this, because I really enjoy shopping from them. I'm thinking I'm probably going to do another House of Sunny video very shortly, because there's a couple of things I want to pick up. So yeah, I honestly can't stop. I feel like a princess. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video and you made it this far, please, please, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated for future videos. I upload every Monday at 6 PM, and that has been without fail for many a year, so not going anywhere. Please hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and I'll see you in my next one, next Monday at 6. Bye, guys.